Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this is the second look from my Valentine series, well, Valentines, Galentines, whatever inspired looks. So if you want to see what I do today, then just continue watching. Today I am going to do something much simpler. So I'm going to be using the 39L palette today. I did intend on using a different section, but I'm going, because I want to keep it simple, I'm going to be using the red section again, but this time I'm going to be doing a smoky eye using the 3 reds at the top. Hopefully it will create that gradient sort of look I have in mind. So what I'm going to start off by doing is getting a really small brush and just defining out the line. So I don't know how long you guys have been here, but I did a colour series where I did basically this whole similar technique so that I could do the smoky eye. It was a series video for the blue, so I'll link that above if you want to see it. So I'm going into serve looks. Yeah, so I'm just going to create a line around my eye, and for this I would say keep your eye open. It doesn't matter how neat the line is because everything's going to be blended out in the end. So yeah, okay, so just that rough line I'm going to do with serve looks, and then I'm going to get a slightly bigger brush, very dense brush, I don't know if this is the right one, and I'm going to go into Hot Stuff. Wow, this brush is dense. I don't know if this is the right one. This is just crumbling. I'm just going to place it on top. Yeah, so I'm just popping Hot Stuff on top. Basically, I use serve looks just to create a frame line. And don't worry, we're going to soften out the line in a moment. I just want the colour to be as pigmented as I can make it. So we're going red today. Okay, so that's enough of Hot Stuff, and then I'm gonna go into Daring, which is this color at the end. So I'm gonna go into like a fluffy blending brush into Daring, and I'm gonna apply that on top, or just above actually, it's just above, wrong word, just above Hot Stuff. I feel like at this rate I could have just used one red. But I really want each red to show up. You see it's a bit of a more orange red? Yeah. It's showing, it's coming through. I think the colour I'm going to have to fight to show through is probably going to be Hot Stuff, funny enough. Okay. And I'm literally blending it right into my brow. Okay, back into Daring again. So I'm going to get like a smaller blending brush and go back into Hot Stuff. And then just blend that in the crease area. I really don't know if there's going to be enough gradient between them, because once they blend out, they seem to sort of merge into this same sort of colour. I don't know if you can see the difference. Maybe slightly. Hopefully when I add the lid red, will show up. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into Daring. I'm really feeling to wear some huge lashes today. I'm just in the mood. I have no idea if you can see the difference between them. I'm gonna go back into Hot Stuff. I'm just gonna tap it in this time, you know, and hopefully Yeah, I feel like it's just all looking the same. Okay. Final color. Just gonna go into flat brush and go into Serve Looks again and pop that all over the lid. This red is a bit lighter than I thought it was. Like it looks like a bit darker in the palette, or is that just me? I don't know. But it's nice to have a true red. I remember there was a while when I was looking for palettes and I couldn't find a true red anywhere. They're literally so similar that I don't need to do any more blending. But I shall. That's what you're supposed to do. So I'm going back into the brush, getting a bit of hot stuff and blending out what should be a harsh line, but they are all the same color. Yeah, maybe with this red I should have done this before my base, but as I said, I'm going to work, so I'm trying to not waste too much time as I go back into the same shades a million times. Yeah, this is gonna be very red. Yeah, I feel like I should put something to break it up a little bit, but I'm not sure what. I may do is go into, I'm thinking either I should put this color on top or I should put that and do a brown liner, but if I'm putting on big lashes you're not going to be able to see it, so let me tap a little bit. So that's what the shimmer looks like, but I'll tap a little bit in the middle. Yeah, that did nothing. Well, I'm going to spray my finger because this cannot be the case. All these bloody colours and it's just red. Okay, now I'm seeing something. I didn't tell you what this shade was called, did I? The shimmer shade is called So Sassy. Honestly, I hate that word so much when people try and say, oh my god, just like, I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna pop a bit more on. I just sprayed my mirror and I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other eye and come right back. Okay, I think I'm gonna take back what I said about it not making a difference, because I know when I used hot stuff in the previous look, it started to look a bit more burgundy, and with this blend of reds, it's really showing up as like a true red, so I may just take that back. I just need to put the shimmer on and then I'm done with this eye. I'm trying to think what I want to do with the rest of my face. Ooh. Yeah, maybe use the spray straight away. That's a lot better. Much better. If any of you watched the UK Drag Race, you would know what that was in reference to. Yeah. Okay, it's coming together. I'm just... Nah, it's just... Yeah. Never mind. Okay, eyes are done. I will do my lashes last because I haven't decided which lashes I'm using yet. So... gonna do, because I am bronzed already. Yeah, I'm gonna go into Dusk Till Dawn and use this blush. We're going for rich in colour today. Whoa. I got some fallout on this side, so it will fit right in. Yeah, I think I'm going for very rosy again. In the spirit of love. Set my face. What's with the struggle? There you are. Bruv. Get it together, what's that? yeah, I'm going to use Dusk Till Dawn to highlight as well. Oh, don't you just hate when you can't find your highlighting brush? So like the highlight is just not popping like it would when you had the right brush. So annoying. Do I think it is? It's because I haven't regularly put on makeup in a while, so it's like every time I put it on, it's like, I don't know. So lips now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go for my Patricia lipstick rather than a nude. I'm gonna put my lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. I might put a lighter colour in the middle, you know. Yeah, coming back. Okay, I have my lashes on. Oh, these make me feel like such a baddie. Oh my gosh. These are in the style Aspen by Prima Lashes. I love that. Like, it's even making me like the look a bit more. But I'm feeling like I should put like a lighter colour in the middle. I'm gonna do it. I use syrup and then apply a bit in the middle. Soften it out. Actually, do you know what? I like the neutralized. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, I use syrup. I'm gonna use my gloss bomb. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready and then I'll come back. Okay, so here's the final look. What do you guys think? That this is a much more successful video than the last one. Oh, yeah, I love it, love it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time for the next look I come up with. Bye.